Hey Russell fam, in today's video we are going to do a flip through of Growing with Grammar Level 6. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky. I am a homeschooling mom of 2 and I've been homeschooling since 2012. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We are so glad you are here. We also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There I give you lots of tips and tricks and things I have learned of all of my years of homeschooling. If you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. I have been using Growing with Grammar for Bailey for 3 years. I felt like he needed more. We've always used My Father's World and it's great, but I felt like he needed a stronger base. So we started using Growing with Grammar, and so now we are using level 6 for him this year. And I am so excited. They also offer a writing program and a spelling program. So stay tuned for those videos because I'm going to do flip throughs of those as well. So let's get started on this Growing with Grammar Level 6 flip through. Here is our flip through of Growing with Grammar Level 6. It comes with a student manual. It comes with a student workbook. It comes with an envelope with test in it. And here's the test. And it also comes with an answer key. This answer key goes along with the workbook. And there is an answer key to the test that is in the back of this. So let me just show you a test real quick. And it tells you right here to use after lesson 1.6. And then it shows you how to grade it, how many they got. It shows you each section for how many points. And so there's the front of one test. There's the back. Typically, these tests are 3 pages. And the back is blank on that one. So each test it tells you to use. And like here's the chapter review. So when we get done with chapter 1, we will do this review test. And it's a little bit longer. Okay. All right. And I was telling you that there was an answer key. You find it back here. Here it is. All right. And here it tells you how to grade based on how many they missed for each test. And then here is the answer key. For test 1, it tells you part A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. So all of that is test 1. And typically what I do is I put these in punch holes in them and put them in a 3-ring binder. That just helps me keep up with all of the grammar. So I know where all of the tests are. All right, now let's move on to the student manual. What I do with Bailey is I make him read the lesson because I'm teaching him to be more independently. So Growing with Grammar Level 6, you are going to learn in Chapter 1, Growing with Sentences, then Growing with Nouns for Chapter 2. And here's all the stuff it breaks it down into. Chapter 3 is Growing with Verbs. And as each level goes up, it gets more in depth on each one of these. This is Growing with Adjectives, Growing with Adverbs, Growing with Prepositions. And 7 is Growing with Words and Punctuation. So here it just shows you how everything breaks it down. So we're going to go to Chapter 1, which is Growing with Sentences. And right here, this is just kind of a refresher. just letting you know that if your child has never used Growing with Grammar, they can pick up for whatever grade they're on, and it just starts all over and breaks it down more in depth. So here we have lesson 1.1. So then we're going to come over here to our workbook, and we're going to find the lesson that goes along with that. So here is lesson 1.1, and you just go through after reading your manual, and it's usually 2 pages. Yeah, it's usually a front and back page that the student has to do. So we had a section A and a section B, and if you want to see if your child is doing what they're supposed to and grasping it, we'll go over here to our answer key, and we're looking for lesson 1.1, and there's part A and part B that goes along with this lesson. So if you have a lefty like I do, that Bailey loves this because he doesn't have to bump into this when he's writing. So that's another plus for this. So that is our flip through of Growing with Grammar Level 6. I hope you have found this video to be helpful, to be informative. I hope it has helped you see the curriculum like you want. If it hasn't answered all of your questions, drop me a comment down in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have about the curriculum. I will also leave a link down in the description box below if you want to find out more about it, or if you want to order your own curriculum. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.